people, right now we just come back in a butterfly paradise. So we in our new section of the zoo now. And I be a butterfly and thing in a zoo. You can see them a fly around behind me, in front of me, all kind of thing. One nice blue one there around here, so too, you know. Yeah man, that one is nice man, I'm not lie. You know what I mean? Yeah. It look peaceful. And a nice looking red one there. Sick. Sick.
Our blue morpho here.
Nice.
You see it, it's brown on the outside, but if it were to open up, it's got beautiful blue wings.
Beautiful man, beautiful.
Yeah. See all the zebra ones up there?
Nice. I see a little red one with a little red on the side.
Oh yes.
Yeah man, nice man.
You can see here's the little guide of what the different ones
Oh,
are.
okay, okay. So these are the guide people. Oh, this is the big blue one, the blue morpho.
Blue morpho.
Yeah. Yeah man, beautiful man, not like.
And then here we've got our Pitarian, which is where they emerge from, the cocoons.
Ah,
Butterflies
sick.
on the right and Atlas moths on the left.
Muffin, come look on that one now. Look upon that.
Is that real?
Yo, look upon that. Can you imagine that in your house at night time? No sir. That is so cool. You know what I mean? More catch a glimpse of red or blue one though.
See this one just here, right here?
Yes. Yeah man, that one look like the one over there at Jamaica. I like that. Who don't have butterfly there? Yeah man, more to the blue one and open up, you know, kind of so pretty man, no lie. Yeah, that was kind of cool. Till we go through the butterfly part. You know what I mean? And yeah, so we'll try to look for the next part we go deal with now. With some parrot there in there so. Then they like literally right there so. You know what I mean? Yeah man. No, it's one hot man. So you have them one there. Oh, you find them blue one there. Yeah man, I know man. Yeah man, this is one I take him. You know what I mean? No, them blue one there, pretty. You know so? And I better you're right there so. Here I go me G. Me G. But what you put them in your summer? Some kind of deal are going this way, you know.
Talking about something.
I tell you, man. Where's some of Finland the lion?
Where's that one?
I don't know. I will put a forward that way there and go around, so.
Which one?
That way, yeah. And then we'll go around, so. I like it. I guess we'll just come around from the first part. Yeah. It's a nice look out in peeps. You know, like, where do you think I butterfly sitting there, muffin?
It's peaceful. Especially the blue when you catch it.
You just do that, chill. It's alright, kick back. No bother you. Like you're doing thing, you know?
Nice
So when I saw a be a lion, when I saw.
Where is it?
When I saw, look like. But make we see up here so first. I don't even think we can go. Oh, I think you have to go around so first.
Okay.
She a warrior, man, you know?
I just felt that.
I know. My lion, them.
That's the female.
Oh.
One in the middle.
Oh, you know. Oh. Yeah, you champion. So you have two up on the top part,
They're just chilling.
one in the middle part and one on the ground there, so. See man on the ground there. So you see the man nice, the man make the woman then have the bed. And you see dog on the ground.
As they should.
So you don't know. Mangoes them. You know like ratty? You know like ratty food. But yeah, so you have one here so, one in the corner there so, one gone in the wood there so, and one on top of the sitting there so. Them a do them thing, them a vibes, you know?
It's supposed to be like India.
Oh yeah.
They have lions
and mangoes.
and they make a little thing.
So they have a heap of lion and mangoes in India.
Yeah.
Yeah man, I want to see what monkey I deal with, man.
Window.
Oh, see them there?
It's gonna
Sorry.
I can see the carriage on unless it's that way around. You can see them from the top.
Them are vibes, man.
He looks old as well.
Oh, see, two of them, yeah, so. I didn't see them, man. I didn't see them. Too much scratching back. Yeah, man. I wonder over there, so I eat. No! Well, go on, brother.
He wants to do high five.
Yeah, deal it. Yeah, deal it. Yo! Yeah, man, see the man.
Oh.
See the tail long though.
Oh, look what I'm doing.
Ah, that is sick.
No, don't play with my hand. There we go.
Can I in my hand?
I'm afraid not. She's
Okay.
very, very fragile.
That's cool, that's
so she's
cool.
an Asian praying mantis.
Sick.
There's about
sick.
2,500 different types of mantis.
Sick.
As you can see, she's lovely and green. Hopefully you got a good shot with her two
Yeah.
big eyes.
Oh my days.
Because she's actually a really good climber. Look me in that.
Sick.
She's also got really good eyesight. So the two big bug eyes that you can see.
Yeah.
So she can see probably about 2-3 meters in front of her, which is really far for an invertebrate.
Sick.
She's also one of the few invertebrates that can see in 3D. And they've even done like little scientific tests and put mantids in front of 3D movies and they respond appropriately. So she's got the two
Really?
big eyes, but she's also got 3 extra eyes in a little triangular on her forehead. And those extra eyes that we can't see, they're very, very small. They help with sort of depth and light and darkness perception. So she's got great eyesight. And she's called a praying mantis because of these 2 front legs that she
Yeah.
holds up. So basically her colour means she'll camouflage in a bush or a tree, and then she'll fling out those front arms or front legs, grab a prey like another insect, a smaller insect,
Sick.
and have it up to her mouth and eating it in half the time it takes you to blink. She'll have already gone bosh, bosh, bosh. But of course, we give with one hand, we take away with the other. So she might have 5 eyes, but she's only got 1 ear in the middle of her chest.
Yo, sick, man. Sick. So them here on garden fruit chafer. Yeah. Then cool. Then cool. Let's see what going on doing here, so. Alright, these are just standard cockroach. You know what I mean? You know it's by the end there already.
American cockroach.
Yeah.
Look at that.
The pandemic. Grasshopper.
Look at them.
Them are not grasshopper, them are what do they call them? Locust. Locust.
There's a lot of them, right?
I don't
That's
know,
tiny.
Yeah. You can imagine when you fry them, then just turn ready, just eat them one time, you know?
You know that's not right, you know.
Why?
That's not right. No, they're tiny.
It's small, man.
These blood-sucking animals will leave you that itching and shit.
We don't bite, you know? We don't bite.
Yeah, right.
Oh yeah, then don't bite, then suck.
Oh yeah.
So our next mantis, yeah? They have one heap of them, man. I know, just like, you know, the... Yeah. Yeah, like mosquito in our ears. Yeah. Scorpion. You know what I mean? Right. Underneath this. What if you find one in this? Look at them, I tell you, yo.
Where is it?
In the behind the wood.
Oh, no.
You can see the big man. Yo. I don't know if you can see it, peeps, but it's right there, so you know? Come. Let me see it.
See, they're not covered.
Let me see it. See the next fat one there, so? No, son. I told you. Panala one there, so. And I make like. No, sir. No, sir. Thank you. So yeah, people, I don't know, we just do the bug section. Never too like it, you know what I mean? The spider then well close. Me not in them thing there, you know what I mean? The spider them literally a crawl upon you and me not deal with that stuff. I'm glad so we left the part there now. So I go see if we can find a next section to deal with, you don't know. Siege boss asleep. You don't know that already, I'm tired. You don't know me, I'm muffin about the place. You know what I mean? So yeah, the journey with me. I was going to find a different place. We go pre now. I'm going to see what I go on. Yeah, go on muffin. So the next one, yeah. See where the one them there? Hey, hey, hombre. Go on, go on, go on. You see? You see red bird them? Yeah, man. With a pluck them feather right now, you see, man. I have some ugly ducklings. Then they're both. Yeah. No, that was cool still. See where side bird them on top of it. Sitting there. There are places like this where you can go in. Yeah, man, I like it. Then Bambi I can use make a kite too, you know. See the next bird there? Okay, so? Yeah, man, well lucky, well lucky. See the next one there, up top there? Yo. Feel it out, man.
You wanna go, Siege?
That's my G. How do you live? Harry, yeah, Harry, man. See camel there, man. Big still enough. See the next one we want so. I'm going to eat in food. Is it? Yeah, man, kick back and vibes, bro. Got all going for your back, bro. Look how we are. Alright, brother. Manners and respect. I'm out. Yeah, man, them a kick back. 3 of them. Like I said, that one, yeah. And new, like I said, my baby, you know? But me say them peaceful anyway. Yeah, no. No, nothing about them, man. They're humble creature, them.
Alpaca.
Up close and personal, you know? That one is just a chilling, not deal with nothing. Yeah, man. Ah, nice looking bird, man. Nice looking bird, look. Can you read on tail? You see it? Yeah, man, nice looking bird, man. You know what I mean? I kick back in my vibes. I'm doing things. I'm cleaning myself. So yeah, peeps. Right now we're gonna go the penguin side now. And I last side that and then we're gonna start. You see me, get ready for cut out and thing. But so far it's been an amazing day, I'm not gonna lie. You know what I mean? Really enjoyed it. Muffin, what you say? Everything good?
I'm sorry my nose, but yeah, it's been a very fun day. Fun day with
No, for real. Don't know. Siege past the boat as well, you know what I mean? But yeah.
Harry.
Oh man. Don't know, people have to stay clean. Sanitize no hand, wear no mask and thing, trust me. You know what I mean? We out here. I don't know, so we have to do that. Safety first more than anything, you understand? Yeah, man. So yeah, we just are going to a penguin thing now. I gotta see what I go on.
That is deep.
The deep, you know?
You can swim in that. It's not
Oh,
that
with
deep.
ease, with ease.
I can't.
Sick. Like it still. Oh, see some bigger one over there, so on the far side. Them one are just like them kind of small, but they're alright still. Them are lounge, man. Them are do them thing. Oh, this look fun. No, real weird. This look on it, people. You can see right underneath it, you see me? Look on that. Sick.
Little flaps just
When I tell you, man, yes, brother, take in his son, man. That's all, enjoy, you know? Life. But no, it's sick though. A feeding time? Oh. Can you? Let's see what I'm going. Come here. But I want to turn up this.
I did not feed them.
Eh?
I did not.
Okay, well, I didn't just take for themselves. They don't must. The next one, right, just so. Him now miss out on the food, you know. Hey, brother, walk on, you know, someone feed. Go on, man. Go through, man, do your thing. Sick, though. Sick, not gonna lie. Sick. Part of people, you can see everything like a magnifying glass, the whole pool, you know? Mad. Nah, like, mad. Yeah, Rona smell raw though. Like, the taste smell raw, but you have to expect that, like, you know, fish and sea and whatever. But it's mad, real. Like, say everybody get their food now and gone. But yeah, it's a good look, people. Trust me, if you can't make it for your family kind of thing, believe me, man, make it happen, man. And eat that brother. And they love fun people, you know. Yo, sick. You know, for real, oh yeah, so man. Look at that. On that people. Mad.
Basically thinks he's going to be sort of left with people much more. Or
Mad.
by himself.
When you leave a sardine long there, so. So yeah, people, we're there now, you know what I mean? NID and thing, it was a good look, you know what I mean? So yeah, I hate this still, as on the journey, you know what I mean? You match it up, you know what to do already. Make sure you say, don't know where across the road, so I have to look. And make sure you say everything good, you know what I mean? Yeah man, look both ways, and then you make your move, you know? But yeah peeps, as me that say, you don't know, thank you for watching. You know what I mean? Make sure you like, comment, share and subscribe. As me say, you know what to do already. You know what I mean? You know, big up on yourself. Thank you for the support. Muffin, you have anything to say?
Make sure you subscribe to the channel.
See it there. Alright, see, do you have anything to say? You might doing thing, man. You might doing thing. But yeah, peeps, you know, big up on yourself and thank you for watching. And shout out to everybody who support, you know what I mean? Manners and respect. And we out. Yeah.